and they know you're going to recycle it every 10 years. You're going to refinance, reset that clock, get your rate up and or down, doesn't matter, but they're locking you in and you never own your home. The bank owns your home. And if you doubt it, don't pay on it. It will go to foreclosure. They'll take it. Are you an accredited investor with 300,000 or more liquid in the bank? I want you to come and partner with me. Look, if you love real estate, passive income, and positive cash flow, appreciation over long periods of time, and you're willing to be patient, come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com. This is for accredited investors with 300,000 or more in the bank, ready to go. Come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com.